drops. You can do it again. Now hold it down, listen to the ring, ring, ring of the pizza. Ding. Do you want to bang it for me?
Do you like a turn?
I'll hold it and you bang.
Give it a big hit, as loud, as hard as you
Let's go.
can.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bang. That's it. Come on. Yes!
Hey.
One more. That's it. Last one. Oh, thank you, sweetie. And everyone else.
Yeah.
Ready? Woo! Ooh! Oh, very loud, wasn't it? Here we go.
Now, if you'd like to play an instrument and have a really good time, just go into your kitchen at home, see what you can find.
Thank you, everyone, for our kitchen instrument players.
Take a bow, everybody.
They've also given us a little preview of the Oopsie Daisy Orchestra, which is coming up in just a few songs, and we want as many kids as possible up for that one. So if I can take those instruments now, and Bianca will help you go down the stairs, back to Mum and Dad.
Thank you, young man. You
I
are
know.
a superstar.
I think he was more into the drums than the shakers.
You might want to come back later when we have our orchestra song.
Yeah.
All right. Well done, everybody.
Yay. Now we've got our next song is
Down
about
the stairs
something
we
that
go.
we make when we're in the kitchen.
Down the
so I
stairs.
want to know, what
Thanks
does
very
everybody
much.
have for breakfast? What do you have for breakfast?
Come on, young man.
Toast! Salsa pizza!
Come on!